So one of the things that you can easily go ahead and do inside of Google Tasks is delete out the completed tasks as well. For example, I'm going to go ahead and complete out the tasks right here. I can go ahead and tick them off, let's say for example right here, and then they move to the completed section right here. If you don't want this task anymore, you can simply click on the delete button right here, just like this, or you can delete all just like this as you go ahead. And if you want to delete out recurring tasks as well. But if you want to go ahead and delete out all of the tasks that has been completed, you can simply click on the three dot button and then choose delete all completed tasks right here and click on delete, and all of them will be deleted right there just like that. You can simply go ahead and do the same for others as well. Delete all completed tasks. It'll go ahead and confirm if you really want to delete right here, and then it'll be deleted out right here. And that is basically how you can go ahead and delete out all of the completed tasks that you have inside of Google Tasks. So I hope you guys learn something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.